G'day, we are cleaning a KFC today. It's actually night. A couple of our technicians are working here. Yes, we're cleaning the drive-through. We're cleaning the outer dining areas. We're cleaning all the other sections. We've got a couple of work trucks here. This is one of the work trucks that we're using today. It has a hot water machine. There's nothing like little small cartridges that you use at home. There are thousands of water tank in there, and all hot water industrial pressure washers that we use. And we got the other truck there, the same thing. It has industrial pressure washer on top there. Yeah, so I'll just take a round what we're going to do today. We will be cleaning up this outer dining area, all the drive-through. We've got to get rid of this mask. We just clean this and this things. We just clean this section. We're going to clean all this drive-through all the way around, just to make sure it's nice and clean for tomorrow's inspection. We just pre-treated with all the chemical here. One of my technicians already started washing the drive-through there. Might not see him there because it's a bit dark. Yeah, it's going to be a big night for us today. Cheers.